Guys, sorry for the turn 5. So turn 4, we'll go back to turn 4. We'll do I did divine beast to guard dog through guardian's blessing and focus inspiration on turn 4 will bolt egg. Turn 4 bolt egg. I got your back to Esther, not Chizuru. So yesterday I did on Chizuru and Marian's blessing. So these three, this wait, a bolt. Let me explain properly. So bolt egg 1, Marian's blessing to Chizuru. I got your back on Esther. So Esther on turn 4 guys, through Stormband, bolting impact and bolting slice. Chizuru on turn 4, triple master, eastern winds, strong samurai, and focus strength. Kaito, Taiba spirit on turn 4. Roberta on turn 4, Dragonic Triune, Mega Breath, and support from the sky. What else? Who else? Oh, I got them all. So, turn 5 now. So, we're gonna shift Chizuru on shifted LV. Esther, LV base form. Esther here. We're gonna supporting chain, Bolting Strike. Kaito here, shifted form, LB. And Roberta, quad, Mystic Breath. Yesterday I did Roberta on jump. And Chow will shifted LB with Celestial Revoke. So we're gonna send Roberta first to gain chain cup, and Sylvia and Kaito, Esther and Chizuru, then Chow. So I hope it goes well. So let me try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, last part on Chow damage. So it is because the animation of Chow on shifted LB 1.9. Oh, I'm very sad. Yesterday I did 2.4 billion. It is a variance roll, guys. So you need so I did mistake on that. So I got your back to Chizuru, lightning to Chizuru, and the volt egg from the whole party. So let me show you the gears. Oh damn. If all Ex3 guys, you can adopt this kind of method. Chow here on base farm with setup stuff, adventuring front, sea dragon, prideful incarnate, and I'm also 100% evasion rate, and best boy vision card, shifted form, same stuff. What you call this, more spirit, because magical base on spirit damage to spirit, and just like this, Sylvie here on the base form, Oh wait guys, a Chow must have 240 or 250 or 255, 255 lightning, light or holy resistance, because for the non-elemental attacks, so he can tank that. So Sylvie here, so I don't have yet the Sylvie sword. I did use the STMR, and this is how I build a Bitium Ribbon. You can actually replace this by, to call this, let me show you. Where is it? Where is it? Where is the? Where is it? Okay, that, the Moonshade earring of Lilizet. So you can actually replace Bitium Ribbon and some tank Saintly Castle for the tank, and auto recovery, dodge roll, sea dragon, reclaim serenity, and Sylvie vision card. Okay, that's it. So let me show you the whole squeak, because I did. This is the shifted form. Okay, Kaito. Sorry, I got not enough memory. Chizuru.